formed, how we will know that it is H2 gas or other gas? So if there is an evolution of H2 gas, it will be give us pop sound.
The detection of hydrogen
As
gas can
we
be
will
done
take
by a
up
pop sound.
lighter.
Observe.